Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For today's video I have unboxing from Amazon. I ordered these flashlights from Amazon, so I just got them in the mail. The delivery was super fast. It was great. I got it on time. Yeah, so it comes with this really nice box, but unfortunately this box was broken when I received it. Yeah, like they're super nice. Yeah guys, so I decided to make a short video and share this with you guys. How amazing is these tiny flashlights. These flashlights are amazing. I really like the size of you can use this anywhere. So this is how it looks. These ones offer 3 different modes: high beam, low beam, and also fast flash. So you can use AA battery. And yeah, so here is the battery that I use. This is from IKEA. You can use any AA battery. Press this. Look how nice is the brightness. For the size of this light is amazing, guys. I just love these ones. So here is one, and it comes with like in one pack you get 5 of these. These are super nice to have at home. These are great to give as a gift. You can have these ones at home, like you can have it in the car, you can throw one in your purse. So these are amazing, guys. I just really like this. This is the low beam. This is fast flash, and then high beam. Yeah, super nice. I am so glad that I got these ones. I really like them. I highly recommend these ones. Yeah guys, so this was today's unboxing. I really hope you guys like and enjoy watching. See you guys soon with the next one. Thanks for watching.